I'm Reprops, and today I'm making a steampunk themed gun for the steampunk costume that I'm working on. For this video, you will need these household tools, equipment, supplies, and materials. The first thing I did was glued together some layered shapes of the handle, which I traced on the cardboard and cut out. I then glued together some tubes of cardboard and metal to make the barrel, which will have 2 barrels on it. I glued the barrels to the handle using some hot glue, cutting a slit in the handle, and then I wrapped the handle in leather using a thin strap just to get all of the corners on it. I then used some small square details and some metal corner parts to make the scope and some of these small details on the side. I glued on a long piece of pipe to make the body and then painted the whole thing gunmetal and then did some silver and bronze detailing throughout the whole thing and then did some light weathering with some steel. Overall, I think this turned out pretty good. It's a nice little gun and it definitely fits the steampunk aesthetic. Next video is probably going to be my steampunk costume, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, and if you want to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and click updates. See ya.